Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the crude price has moved in the last 2 days and how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, a opposite U pattern is forming. Okay, and after that what we have seen, it is trying to move upside and it formed a swing at this particular level, a level of 93.75, and from there we have seen on the downside now trading at around $83.99. okay, already made a low of around $81.97. okay, so once this level sustain, which is a lower probability because we can see a strong swing coming at around $84.35. okay, so once the price move below that particular level, we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $82.59. okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around 81.52. okay, and if the level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $80.18, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $79.13. okay, and once the price move below that level, then we can see it can move further down. Keep this in mind, there is a pattern forming in crude. As you can see that this is a weekly chart where you can see whenever it goes high, we have seen a sharp fall has come. If you look at day chart also, you can see a trend toward downside is very high. okay, this particular level, once this zone break upside, what we have seen, then it has already made a high of around 93.65, and from there we have seen continuously moving down, and now again it has formed at this particular zone. okay, it is moving in this particular zone, so probability is there if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can go further low towards a level of $82.08, and from there we can see it can come down towards a level of $80.36. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $79.42, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $76.76, and this particular level is a weak support, so probability is very high. We can see it can move further down, and a probability of touching further low towards a level of 74.42 is there. okay, and from there we can see it can go further low. So you have to understand that some of the supports, that is around 77 is there and 68 is there. So once the price fall below a level of 84, there is chances that it can touch a level of 82, and from there we can see once if it goes below a level of 80, we can see it can touch a level of $77.8, which is a strong support, as you can see, after a level of 85.36. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $68.01, and from there we can see it can move further down. okay, now understand something. If the price sustain this particular level, which is some of the chances if it form a swing at this particular level, okay, or if this zone breaks upside, which is at around 85 or 86, if this level goes upside, we can see it can cross this particular level and can go further high. Not further high, you can say, yes, a trend like in a zone it can move, and once this zone break upside, we can see it can move towards a level of 90 also if this zone move upside. Now look at this particular zone. If this level sustain, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $86.61. okay, and this level is also a weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $90.36 also, which is again a resistance, which is weak resistance. From there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $92.71. okay, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of 93.65, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $96.46, and from there we can see it can move further high towards a level of around 97.71. okay, this is the resistance, which is a strong resistance. From there we can see it can come down, that is $97.71. okay, and from there we can see a next support coming at around 97.4, so we can see it can come and bounce back towards further high and can touch a level of $101.78, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 104. You can check my previous video of the price move above a level of 104. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my